Success!
Success na ba?
Try mo nga kung anong boss mo dito. Parang hindi na pandan.
Ala, wait lang, Kuya. Katarong.
Alam, hindi na nga. Gago, hindi na.
Ayan na, yan na.
Okay na pa? Pasabog yung mic ni Kuya.
Ay, naka-spell start na.
Wait lang.
Lamig!
Gago, ang lamig hayo.
Bubelo ako.
Ang gago eh.
lamig mo.
Nanggagago lang.
May record, gaga.
I-record na.
With this song.
Kanta tayo, Andrew, ako kakanta. Dali.
Andrew.
Oo. 3 things lang.
Let's go! Happy birthday!
Wi-Fi is connected.
It's a
Party
birthday!
people! Are you ready?
Ano yung kanta nila?
Banyo Queen.
Ayun, banyo queen tayo.
Kaya si Submarine.
Kasi naman.
300 meters. Use the right 4 lanes to continue straight on 59 Marcos Highway.
Ba't wala?
Gago, di ako nakapagpasaing ng kanin.
Ha?
Kaya mo na may pasta naman eh. Ang ganda.
Straight on 59 Marcos Highway.
Di ba ang ganda ng mic ni Kuya?
But he just got brighter, strumming my pain with his fingers. One eye, with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life. With his words killing me softly. With his song. Feel ko talaga.
Ganda ba ito?
Ang ganda nga.
Ganda talaga yung...
Ganda ng mic.
Ganda talaga, Mike, ma.
Oh, ang ganda nga. Ang ganda.
Sino na mamimili?
Anong mamimi? Mamiminger?
Mamimili!
Akala ko.
Yung mga mo!
Sorry.
Virgin pa ako.
Lahat naman tayo dito virgin na sila nagsabi.
Ito.
Hey! Strumming my pain with his fingers. Singing my life in his words. That's why killing me softly with his song. Killing me
Straight on
softly
59 Marcos Highway.
with his song. Telling my whole life. With his words killing me softly.
Aba, gumaga naman.
400 meters. Use the right 4 lanes to continue straight on
Tapos hanggaan pa ng mic, no? Aray, may pa-score pa 90.
Ay, 90 mga pasado!
Ganun na pala dapat.